At dapat tinted na nga rod nga ko jay. Nga ilim nga variety. Kahoy. Kaya mula.
Hintay mo sila kat para magpaliwanag. Para marinig nila.
Ay, okay po. Forgive me for my English. So, she said that she's still preparing or completing the arrangement of the farm.
So, I'm still rearranging it, and as you can see, it's still not in their proper place. Yeah, but siguro after 2 months, I could say that it is open for viewing.
So, this one are the native chickens.
Yes. Yung dalawang anak niya.
Dalawa?
Oh, ganyan. Agad pala.
Ay, oo.
Dito pa sila. Ala, sinok na.
To create this one here, I asked for an assistant, my sister. So we have to put it all together. Yeah.
Same thoughts. Ay, lahat to ya, ano niya, tatanim niya.
Because they're both males and they're like chocolate.
Chocolatey body.
How is Chukumucho? The next time we see each other. How are Chukumucho?
The stock, ma'am.
Other stock.
Yes.
This one is similar, no?
Paano?
So we undergone conversion period. As the time passes, I'm beginning to love it. Yes. Because
Advertise for people to come and camp here and help you in this area. Yeah, that's a lot of people like to do that from different countries. They travel and help farmers. Have you heard of woofing?